Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and now to the Play Store application, and here into the search pool enter the X icon changer. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. And now just select one from these available applications. For example, let's go with the settings. Here we can select our new just icon from those available icons here, or just we can use our device photos previously taken on our camera in gallery app, or downloaded from, for example, from the internet, or also we can use the photos just to take a picture right now in camera app. So for example, I'll use this icon. Just click here to OK on the right upper corner.
Hello Dave, how you doing? Oh, hello.
Now we just should skip the ads here. So tap to the right upper corner, click here to add, and now we can change the next icon by the same way. So let's just go here to see our new icon, and we can see the difference. This is our new icon from X icon changer app, and that is our default icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.